Alright guys, this is everything we're going to be using to make our Mother's Day dinner and dessert. So here, after the water boils, you put the lid on and you turn it off and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I found that very interesting. So this recipe, although I did modify it, is a chill pasta salad recipe I got from my family function I went to a couple weekends ago. One of my older cousins told me about it. She had made this as a dish and it was delicious, so I just thought I would recreate it. So what we have here is lightly floured chicken breast, and I just season that with just plain old salt and pepper. In the pan there is a little bit of butter and some cooking oil. So these are the gifts I had for the people that I gifted on Mother's Day. I received quite a few things: flowers, balloons, wine, a flower display with my pictures on it, gift cards. Woo, it was beautiful. So after I placed the chicken breasts back into the pan, I covered them with a lid, turned the heat off the stove, and let them sit for a while. So this is a no-bake cheesecake recipe that I just kind of put together, and all I'm doing is following directions on the back of the box for the instant cheesecake pudding.